So before we start to add new products, let's look at the current products that were already created when we went ahead and created our site. So if you go into products, there's a manage products and an add a product link. We're going to go through both of those, but we will start with the manage products. So if you click that link, you will see that there are two products, product 1 and product 2. We can go ahead and use this interface to see our products. We can click quick edit, and it allows us to see some basic information such as the image, the name of the product, the price, all of those types of things. You can also click this drop down and click edit or delete. I'll start by going to edit so you can just see what the product page looks like. And you can always come down to the bottom and click delete this way, which we'll do in this case. And then confirm that we do want to delete it. And we're going to delete this one just by using this drop down. And now we will actually start by adding some basic products.
Okay, to add a basic product, all you do is go into products and click add a product. From there, you decide on which product you want. We only have one, which is product display.
And we will explain what product display means a little later. Just know that those are your basic products that don't have any specifics like sizes or colors. So we just want to sell the product as is, and we don't want the user to have to select anything. They just can click the add to cart button and get to purchasing that product.
Yep. So the first field is going to be title, and that is obviously the name of the the name of the product. So we're going to do a sticker white. The body is simply a description of the product.
And you can put as much information as you wanted here. We're just going to put something very simple. The next section is this add new product. The SKU is important because you want it to be unique. It can be pretty much whatever you want. You can't use commas or spaces, I believe. So usually hyphens or underscores are good. So we're going to do sticker dash white.
Yep. Or whiter. I mean, it doesn't matter. But the SKUs are obviously important. You want it to be unique. We're going to give it a price of $3 and then make the product active so it will show up. And then you'll add images. It's important to note that you can add any image that really you have for your product. It's obviously best to have higher quality images. But one tip is to make sure you have images that are all relatively the same size, at least dimension-wise. That'll make your display very cohesive.
And another thing to also keep in mind is we could have one product called sticker, and they could select the color of the sticker, white, red, or any other color that we do have. We have 3 different colors we're going to be offering. But we chose to use in this example to create 3 different products to show you how that would look. And in the later video, when we're actually looking through mugs, we will show you how to create one product and select the multiple colors. So then you can decide for yourself which way you'd rather set up your site.
Yep. There definitely is not a right or wrong way.
You're going to want to make sure you click this create product, because that actually creates the product in your inventory or in your back-end system. And then when you also need to then click this save button, because that saves the actual display of the product. But before you do that, make sure you put it in the category that we created in the last video, which in this case is going to be stickers. These other sections down here are more administrative options, and you can go through those, but in this case, we're not going to set any of those, and we're going to leave it all at the defaults.
So once we click save here, we're going to be able to have our product added, and it's going to load our product display. And then you can see if we hover over, that was a feature when we initially created our Commerce Kickstart, was to zoom. And then on the side there, again, you can see the description, the price, and then add the add to cart button. And then if we also go under the stickers product category listing on the top navigation, you'll be able to see that the sticker now is going to show up in that list. And there we go, because it'll be associated with that product category.
We'll now add those other 2 stickers so you can see how that's going to look when we have multiple products.
Yep. If you have multiple products you want to add at this time, it'd be a good time to either pause the video or do it at a later date. Obviously, we're going just to add a few here right now.
Now that we have all of our stickers created, we can come back to the stickers product category page, and you can see we have our 3 stickers we can choose from and purchase on our site. Simply click on the sticker, and it will bring you to the product page, and it can be purchased just like any other product that you need to sell.
Before you go on, obviously make sure we're going to cover further products. If you have any other basic products, make sure you get those added right now.
And we'll explain in the next sections how to add more complex products with attributes such as color or size. So just keep following along if you have those types of products that you still need to get added.